This is a single head heat stripping and insertion of the plastic shell terminal machine. You can see this finished product. It's an inverter line for air conditioning compressors. As you can see, we have an effect with a hot peel at the end. This is where you put the good stuff, and that's where the bad stuff goes. The speed of this machine is 500 lines per hour, depends on the length of a line. Then this machine comes with a CCD visual inspection and a pressure detection. The whole machine process is: this side is hot stripped one by one, terminal crimping, pressure check here, then there's a visual inspection, and after the rotating terminals here, insertion of rubber shell. That whole machine uses servo motors, adopted 5 Huichuan servo motors, and a Mitsubishi servo motor, 6 stepper motors, self-developed programs. That's a payoff frame back there. This payoff is a one-piece 3-axis payoff. This ensures a smooth wire feed. Here's a rubber-coated vibrating disc. Here's the touch screen. The interface is very simple and clear.